Hello, I'm Xavier with Revima, and we are an MRO company for APUs and landing gears headquartered in France, with facilities in France and in Thailand. And we have been participating at the MRO Middle East for as many years as I can remember. We're a long time participant to the MRO events that are very important to us because they fit very well with what we do as a service provider for essentially airlines in the industry. The Middle East is a very important region for us. We have a lot of existing relationships and partnerships with key airlines in the region to support their landing gear and APU maintenance and sometimes components as well. And so we are very happy to be here this year again to meet with our connections, our existing customers. It's a great opportunity to have most of our important connections under one roof. And we are also hoping to connect with people we can expand our relationship with. And so we're looking forward to the next couple of days to achieve this. And we welcome all our partners here on the booth, on the French pavilion. And we thank all our partners as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day.